Good morning, students. Welcome to Shanta Junior College online classes. Now we discuss about the chemistry topic solutions. It is the second topic of the intermediate second year syllabus. In this topic, we get 6 marks in the public examinations. 6 marks in the public examinations. First of all, we now find that what is the solution? What is the solution? Solution means it is one type of mixture. It is one type of mixture. Mixture means blending. Blending, it means two or more compounds of bending of the substance. Two or more compounds of the bending of the substance. That is solution. This solution to contains two type of mixtures. The first one solute and the second one solvent. The first one is solute and the second one is solvent. Solute, solvent. This solute plus solvent is known as solution. Solute plus solvent is known as solution. So, what is solute? We find that what is solute? Solute means it is lesser quantity of the substance. Solute means it is lesser quantity of the substance in the solution. Solute is the lesser quantity of the solution. And this is dissolving substance. Dissolved substance. It is dissolved. Solute is the dissolved substance and lesser quantity of the solution. And solvent. Solvent means it is more quantity of substance in the solution. More quantity of substance in the solution. And this is dissolving substance. Solute is the dissolved substance. It means the substance is dissolved in the solution. How to dissolve the solution? It is mixed with solvent. It is mixed with solvent. So solvent is the dissolving substance. Suppose sugar solution. Sugar solution contains two particles like that, sugar and water. Sugar and water. Sugar is the lesser quantity of substance in the water, and sugar is the dissolved substance. Sugar is the lesser quantity and also dissolved substance. So it is the solute. Water, more quantity of the substance in the solution and dissolving of the substance. Water dissolving the sugar. So water is the solvent, sugar is the solute. The sugar plus water is mixed with to forms the certain compound, that is solution. Solution means solute and solvent is the solution. These solutions, how many types of solutions? How many types of solution? It is the first condition, the types of solution, types of solution by their solutes, types of solution by their solute, number of types of solution. The first one, binary solution, and second one, ternary solution, and the third one, quaternary solution. Binary solution, ternary solution, quaternary solution. What is the meaning of, what's meant by binary solution? Do you understand, students? What is the binary solution? Binary solution means the homogeneous mixture of two solutes. The homogeneous mixture of two solutes. In the binary compound, binary solution means the binary solution contains only two solutes. The binary solution contains only two solutes. And ternary solution. Ternary solution contains the homogeneous mixture of three solutes. The homogeneous mixture of three solutes contains of the solution is known as ternary solution. And the quaternary solution. Quaternary solution is three or more solutes. Binary solution contains two solutes. Quaternary solution contains three solutes. Binary solution contains two solutes. Ternary solution contains three solutes. Quaternary solution contains three or more solutes. In this chapter, we discussed about only binary solution in the second year intermediate syllabus. Only binary solution. These two solutions are need not to mix. Only binary solution. What is the binary solution? Binary solution means the homogeneous mixture of two solutes. The homogeneous mixture of two solutes is known as binary solution. These binary solutions, how many types? How many types of binary solutions by their states? How many types of binary solution by their states? These binary solution by their states is three types. The first one, gaseous solutions, and second one, liquid solution, and the third one, solid solution. Binary solutions by their states, three types. What are they? Gaseous solution, and liquid solution, and solid solution. Gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. What is the gaseous solution? Gaseous solution means solvent must be gas. You have taken solute any compound like that, solute, gas, liquid, solid. You have taken solute taken any substance. Solute taken any substance. but solvent must be gas, that is gas solution. In the gas solution, solute taken any substance like solid, liquid, gases, whatever it may be, but solvent is only gas. Suppose example gas solution example. Suppose solute taken gas like that oxygen. Solute taken gas like that oxygen, and the solvent must be gas like that nitrogen. Oxygen plus nitrogen is given as air. That is binary solution. In the binary solution, gas solution. In the gas solution, solute taken any substance like that solid, liquid, gas, but solvent must be gas. In this solution, solute is oxygen, gas. Solvent is nitrogen, also gas. This is gas solution. And the liquid solution. In this solution, solute taken any substance, solid, liquid, gas, but solvent must be liquid. Solvent must be liquid. Example, suppose solute taken any substance like that solute taken oxygen, but solvent water is the liquid, that is solvent. Solute taken oxygen, so it is liquid solution. And the last one, solid solution. Same, solute taken any substance, solid, liquid, gas, but solvent must be solid. Solvent must be solid. Suppose example, solute is kerosene because it is the liquid. Solvent is lead. Kerosene plus lead is the solid solution. We have taken solid to solid. Solute copper. Copper is the solute. Is mixed with gold to forms gold ornaments. This is one type of mixture. This is one type of solution. That means solid solution. Gas solution means solute taken any substance like solid, liquid, gas, but solvent must be gas. Liquid solution means solute taken any substance, but solvent taken only liquid. Solid solution means solute taken any substance, but solvent is only solid. It is states of binary solution. 3 states: gas solution, and the liquid solution, and the solid solution. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, student.